When a typhoon sweeps across the land, it does not only uproot trees and flood homes, it also disturbs the inner landscapes of human existence. The storm outside mirrors the storms within. We are reminded that life, no matter how well planned, is fragile before the forces of nature. In those howling winds, we hear the humbling truth that human power, for all its progress and technology, is still bound by the laws of a world greater than ourselves. The devastation a typhoon brings, loss of home, hunger, uncertainty, reveals both the vulnerability and the strength of the human spirit. People cry, but they also rebuild, they lose, yet they find meaning in helping one another. In the face of disaster, what emerges is not merely destruction, but a rediscovery of shared humanity. The flood that washes away possessions often uncovers compassion. The darkness that follows power outages illuminates community. Philosophically, a typhoon is a reminder of impermanence, the same truth taught by nature, religion, and reason. Everything we hold dear can be gone in an instant. Yet it is precisely this impermanence that makes life precious and urges us to live with awareness and gratitude. The storm, in its brutality, teaches us simplicity, that what truly matters are not the walls we build, but the hearts that shelter us. Perhaps the deepest lesson of every typhoon is acceptance. We cannot command the winds, but we can command our response. The measure of a person, then, is not found in avoiding life's tempests, but in how gracefully they rise after the storm. In every fallen leaf and flooded street lies a silent invitation to reflect that the storms outside are part of the storms that shape us inside, and through both we grow.